Okay, guys, so right here, I just realized that my microphone in editing did not work. So yes,
Storm. I'm up my
this
holler
morning.
still right here, but
Y'all, excuse my voice. It
we
is
have made
3
it to a
o'clock. I
march
just
so we can
recorded
get,
all of
you know,
this. And I hit the wrong button, so it instantly did not save it. So we are turning around and re-recording. So yay, happy me, guys! We braved the storm. All of the footage you just seen coming in was me coming from my home out to the mouth of the holler. If you do not know, the mouth of the holler is the beginning. Right here, we went to our little convenience store. If you see there, there is a lot of LA Color collections. It is a huge selection at this store. I thoroughly enjoy it. Rather affordable prices. Still a little expensive, more expensive than Dollar Tree. Y'all, right here, this store has all the bag selections, all the party selections. We have tissue paper, we have bows, we have bags, we have banners, we have decorations, we have all party supplies like paper plates, cups, napkins. We have birthday candles. Y'all, this store absolutely has anything and everything that you may need. Okay, for a special occasion, such as a graduation, baby shower, a wedding, etc. That there's the showing you the graduation party supplies. This right here is just a few different random party themed items. We have the kids' birthday Marvel right here. Guys, they have everything to make a day special for you. Okay, and I thought this was cute, the pink princess castle, and there is the comic book boom pow kabam. Y'all see all the random stuff. We have sunglasses next to dictionaries, next to a freezer cooler full of food. So yeah, this is about the general setup of our grocery mart. Those are some seasoned potato wedges, and then we got uh, a bag of frozen chicken tenders, guys. Don't know the brand of these. It was a little more expensive. Of course, we're on the country roads back in the sticks of Tennessee. Y'all, they have frozen pizzas. They've got little banquet TV dinners. Now, options were slim pickings today just because of the storm. Y'all, this is like a blizzard for this area. We actually got about 10 inches of snow out here where I'm at. I do believe right now it is 3 a.m. the next morning after I'm filming this, guys. I do believe that they have, I know they've called my work off today, and they've already called my boys' school off Monday and Tuesday. Mind you, today's only Sunday, and now they all called all this stuff off day before. I mean, it's absolute crazy. Now, y'all, I was going to get this Taipei chicken fried rice because my boys absolutely love it until I realized it was $7.49. No, baby, I put that right straight back where I got it from. Yes, ma'am, I did. There ain't no way in God's green earth that I would pay almost $8 for one of those small little containers. Okay, now, girl, you girl ain't gonna do it. I ain't got it like that. So anyway, moving on, I'm going to take you through the store here with me. That's the beauty aisle. Has all your shampoo, your razors, your creams, your soaps, your hair bows, your makeup options, your press-on nails, the glue-on eyelashes. Y'all, this little store has it all. I love the aisle that we just walked past. Now, David is in the store with me. He is helping me grab and go. He is not too thrilled that I am recording simply because he is in such a rush to leave. After we came back in, it really started snowing. After we made it into the store, of course, I was not paying attention to what it was doing outside. I was trying to manage the cart, the camera, the microphone, probably why my microphone did not work during this video. Okay, so there again, trying to do too much, trying to go too fast. I need to slow down and pace myself because this happens to me often. Guys, I did grab some of the ramen noodles simply because we can simply boil water if the electricity goes off on the kerosene heater, and we can have at least ramen noodles. Okay, so we did grab them, y'all. This is one of my favorites. Chicken, plain chicken flavor. Nothing hot about it. Now, I don't like spicy. My stomach won't take it. Now that I'm older, My boys like these, so we did grab quite a few of these. Now, I'm just showing you some of the can options that they do provide here at this location. Again, it looks kind of full, but really all of that's been for front and faced. Um, you know, he's trying to keep it neat and organized for his customers. This man runs this entire shop by himself. You can see here some of the shelves are pretty bare, and it is because of the storm. Y'all, none of the local larger chain grocery stores or even gas stations like BP and Bucky's was closed. Y'all, you don't ever hear about Bucky's being closed. We did end up grabbing a couple of different kinds of chips, I know. We grabbed some ramen. We grabbed those chicken tenders and potato wedges. Then I did end up grabbing 2 loaves of bread. I grabbed 1 gallon of milk. Y'all, we picked up a few of them frosty drinks along with some lunch meat, some ham and some turkey options. Guys, right here's those frosty drinks. These are only $1.29. They're like 32 ounces, okay? So such a great value there, especially for a convenience store up a holler. Y'all, if you know, you know. Right here, I'm bringing you over here to show you some of the sweet candy options. Y'all, I did not end up grabbing any of this because there again, it was not a necessity. I had to watch my money. I haven't been able to work. Today makes the second day in a row. I will not be able to go outdoor dashing unless the county does something with our roads. I absolutely will not go out on roads like that. It is not worth my safety, okay, or my vehicle. I only have one vehicle at the moment, and we do use it to commute back and forth for absolutely anything and everything that we need. So I cannot risk my vehicle or my life. Okay. Both of those are kind of important to me. So this is me showing you that they did have milk. You know, we already had cheese, bologna, things like that at home. I just wanted to grab a few extra options and a few extra pieces of groceries here and there. Y'all, it is so expensive. Me and David, now we did get like 2 packs of cigarettes each. We got like my little energy swarm pills, the stacker 3 pills. I take those each and every day, have for years. I know I shouldn't, but I have. Guys, I have a split migraine when I'm doing the shopping. So it's probably best I did do this voiceover. You see there, I grabbed a box of cereals under that toilet paper. I grabbed 2 4-packs. When I got home, I realized I already had 1 4-pack. But that's okay, guys. It will be used, guaranteed. Guaranteed. I go through that like water at my home. Um, all of the pets, they all have everything they need already. Um, like I say, I have a couple teenagers. I'm showing you here all these hair bows, guys. These are only $1.25 each. Now I go pretty quick up this aisle. I know they have hairbrushes, they have your cotton rounds, stuff like that. I came here to grab these. I needed these, guys. It is that time of the month. Aunt Mother Nature, she just come to visit. Okay, so we do got to make sure we grab those to make sure we are good. Those little perfumes, I have every kind of them. LA colors, lip colors. Those are some off-brand Max lip gloss. Guys, look at all of that. That's all different LA color um, nail polishes. Y'all, they have looky there, they have new makeup options at my convenience store. I'm so excited and thrilled about that. After the storm passes, I did not grab this strips because there again, I was watching my money. Y'all, between each and everything that I bought, which was quite a bit now, from the convenience store, I spent like $159. Yeah, let that soak in. But there again, I did need these things. I have 2 kids at the house. It's hard telling how long it's going to be before the regular stores open back up. Shoot, I might end up having to go down here and do a visit with him, again. Y'all, I don't know if I know you can't see. Right there, you can see. If you pause your screen, look at that teal container on the bottom. That is the little nacho trays. Y'all, that comes with nacho cheese and a ton of chips. It's by the brand Arizona, like the Arizona tea brand. Um, hence the color. Okay. But you take those, you take the lid off, you pop them in the microwave for 30 seconds, pull them out, and enjoy you some delicious nachos. Guys, I'm not down with very many nacho cheeses, but this right here takes cake. It is very good. Just enough spice to make you taste it. You know, nacho cheese can vary between mildness and spiciness. This is a good medium to mild. I can't do very spicy stuff, y'all. Look, I was second guessing that. I grabbed that second loaf of bread. Yes, ma'am, I did. And thank God I did. As soon as I got home, everybody ate sandwiches this day. Okay, we do have power. The reason that I did not cook is because I just cleaned my kitchen and I was not dirtying up my entire kitchen for everybody to cook. So we just grabbed quick options because now listen, it's very rare that I'm home. There's that milk I got. But it is very rare that I'm home. It is very rare that I have my entire house clean all at one time anymore because I do work a lot. Guys, I work 7 days a week, 16 hours a day. Even on the days that I do not work at my full time cooking job, I do film beginning at 3 a.m. that morning at my home. I continue filming throughout my day. And then I do around 11 a.m. I will start door dashing on my days off, and I will do that until about 10 to 11 o'clock at night. So, there again, I have a very full, long day. Sometimes, even after that, I will come home, still film, still edit videos, and post on here, plus all my other social medias. Okay, guys, so we got all of our goods here. Okay, now let's try to get home. Okay, guys, just gonna pop in here and express my gratitude to this shop owner. He is absolutely the best little old man ever was, y'all. He was wanting to close, however, he said that in the community here, we do have a lot of people that live out here in this part of the country. Um, he is one of the very few convenience stores located in the holler or on the countryside road, if you will. He did say that he wanted to close, but he would rather end up spending the night overnight at his store before he would close because there were so many elderly people and people who had small children or just kids in general, his regular customers, people he has grown relationships with over many years of being here. He has owned that store probably for 20 years. Now, guys, this little old man, he did stay open um, until regular 9 p.m. for yesterday. That was closing early for him. However, I'm sure that little man got stuck at that store. We whispered a little prayer for him last night. He would stayed open just so people could get food and the things and items that they wanted. Just people like this are blessings. I just wanted to hop on here and express my gratitude to the shop owner. He did not have to do that. Again, he owns this establishment. He sets the rules. He could have very well shut down because, I mean, even the larger chains like the BP gas station, Bucky's, I believe Bucky's, I don't know, I couldn't make it that far, but I heard that Bucky's closed yesterday. I know for a fact Food City and Kodak, you know, which is the name of the small little area I'm from, you know, they closed yesterday. Um, that's the only grocery store within 5 miles, 5 to 10 miles from my home. Um, Everything in Knoxville was closed down. Yes, ma'am, it was. They pretty much, I'm surprised that we didn't reach state of emergency. I know it sounds crazy because, again, I'm from somewhere that gets a lot more snow than this. Um, Therefore, I grew up on going through winters way more harsh than this little storm was. However, other people in the area that have not experienced a lot of snow, you know, those people did not know how to get out and get to the stores. They did not know how to drive on the roads safely. They don't know the precautions to take during a weather storm, snowstorm like this. Yeah, it affected our area quite drastically. Actually, there was so many businesses closed down. There again, going back to why I popped back in here. Really am glad that this little shop owner opened his store that day. So I'll let you guys enjoy the ride on home. Okay, guys, so we're starting to get close to the house here. We made it plumb up in the holler. We turned up a couple of hollers during the drive. Don't know if I caught that on video or not. Of course, I'm not going to show the directions to my house, y'all. I'm not that stupid, no matter how I sound or how I look. But yeah, I just wanted to bring you along on this trip to show you how beautiful the drive is. The scenery is absolutely gorgeous coming up and down through the holler. Um, y'all, this is country. This is where I'm from now for the past 15 years. This has been where I'm from. Y'all, I really do enjoy this area. I love living in Tennessee. Sorry, that's my cat Carmela. But anyway, yeah, I just wanted to hop in here and let you see there's somebody got stuck in the yard, couldn't get their vehicle up at the drive. But now I'm going to just hop off here and thank you guys. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do. This is just like a little exciting vlog that I wanted to show you all. Um, we're pulling up to the house and stuff, and I was just wanting to let you know that I wish you guys would subscribe, like my video, share it with all your friends. Make sure that you click the post notification bell. Soon the hype button will be available. The library is closed down. Most of the area is, just telling you that here I'm just telling you, hey guys, I made it. We made it home, and I was so excited. I was so happy to be home. But yeah, there again, thank you for joining me today and have a blessed one.